A secured credit card doesn't stay secured forever. On the Discover It's Secured card, the account can be reviewed and upgraded once Discover sees steady responsible use, which is what unlocks the return of your deposit and the switch to an unsecured card. By the end of this, you'll know exactly what triggers graduation, what Discover checks before upgrading you, and the steps that increase your chances of getting moved to an unsecured card faster. The first thing to understand is what graduation actually means. It's not something you apply for directly. Discover reviews your account over time and decides whether your credit behavior shows you can handle an unsecured line. Your deposit is only there as backup protection while you're building that history. Once they trust your pattern, the deposit is no longer needed. The main factor is payment history. Consistent on-time payments carry the most weight because they show reliability month after month. A single late payment can slow down the process significantly. Credit usage also matters. Keeping your balance low instead of maxing out the card signals that you're not dependent on the credit line. Account age also plays a role. The longer your account has been active with responsible behavior, the more data Discover has to evaluate. There's no guaranteed timeline for when upgrades happen, because it depends on how quickly your usage pattern looks stable and low risk. When Discover does approve graduation, they upgrade your account to an unsecured version of the card. At that point, your security deposit is returned, and your credit line becomes fully unsecured. You don't lose your account history, and your card continues working as normal. If you don't see an upgrade yet, it usually means the account hasn't built enough consistent positive history. The most common mistake is using the card heavily for short-term spending, and then carrying balances or missing due dates. That pattern slows down graduation because it signals higher risk. The most effective approach is simple consistency. Use the card for small, predictable purchases, pay the balance on time every month, and keep utilization low. That combination builds the type of behavior Discover is looking for when deciding whether to remove the deposit requirement. To wrap it up, graduation is a review process, not an application. It depends mainly on payment consistency and responsible usage, and it ends with your deposit being returned when you're approved. The next step is to set a fixed monthly charge on the card and automate payments, so your history stays clean and predictable. If this helped, like and subscribe for more clear breakdowns of credit building tools and approvals.